So I have 11.21 volts when the car battery is cold. So there it's connected. So now I'll show you when the car is running. Okay, so the car's running and we're at 14.02 volts. Got the terminals connected there. So now we'll go put on the headlights, hazard lights, and all the other bullshit. Okay, so turn on the lights, hazards, fan, the stereo somewhere. Okay, I took the stereo off. I'm not sure where it is. There it is. And stereo. Okay. So we got all that running. Go back to the voltmeter. And it drops to 11.9, 12, and around 12:18. You can see there. I did notice some fluid go into my reservoir tank this morning. So there was a bit, it was almost at the low. So maybe I have to top up it one more time. I'll try topping it up some more.